Hello, kids. I know you all are enjoying online sessions and videos. Today, I am going to tell you one story. Children, I know that you like to listen to the stories. So, here is the story. Listen to it carefully. The name of the story is The Ant and the Grasshopper. Once upon a time, there was a big jungle where many animals lived. Some ants were living in an ant hill. They were all very hardworking. There was a lazy grasshopper which lived next to the ant hill. It was a hot summer day. The grasshopper was lying in the shade, relaxing from the heat of the sun, when some ants passed by. The ants were dragging food in order to store it for the winter. Just looking at the ant made the grasshopper feel tired. Ants, why do you work all day long? Why don't you sit for a while and sing a song with me? He asked. The ant said, we are gathering food for the winter, when it will be cold and there will be no food. It would be a good idea if you did the same, the ant answered further and continued her work. Oh, ant, why worry about the winter? There is plenty of food right now. The grasshopper replied. The ant walked away with her load, leaving the grasshopper playing. Winter came, and just as the ant had warned, grasshopper had no food stored. He was shivering with cold. He was very hungry and had no food. So he went to the ant. Hello again, ant. I came to sing you a song in return for some food. The ant smiled and replied, all summer long I was working hard. While you were singing and laughing at me, I was working. As a result, I have a full tummy, and you are hungry. So, don't wait here. Go away, shouted the ant. The grasshopper was very sad, and he went away. So, children, did you like the story? There were two animals in the story, the ants and the grasshopper. They can be seen in the jungle and outside the jungle. They are not helpful and we cannot play with them. So, they cannot be called wild, pet, or farm animals. They are other animals. We are going to study tomorrow about these animals in the next lesson, that is lesson number 6, other animals. Okay, so this is all about today. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.